So enforcement is our last chapter and is about regulatory inspections. So these inspections are made on the federal, state, and local level, and they're made in order to keep up the quality of food service and food safety. And they're also periodic, so the company does not know or can be prepared for when the inspector comes. So professional manager behavior should be followed, and first you want to ID the inspector, and then offer to walk with the inspector through your establishment. Sometimes they prefer to walk alone. And then at the end, the inspector will give the manager a verbal reading of the report form and then turn in the form to their agency. And the manager can rebuke findings that they are discounted for to the agency. And an inspection report form, I put a picture up on the slide, and there's also a picture on page 94.